Today I'm gonna check out this very affordable UPerfect portable monitor with my MacBook Air. I believe it is 15.6 inch. We got USB, Type-C signal and power cable, HDMI cord. This is a full-size HDMI. Yeah, I love the fact that it comes with the full-size HDMI instead of the smaller ones, because I intend to use it as my studio monitor. USB-C cable. That's the power cord, USB-C to USB-A. And this one is C2C, signal, and the power carry. For this test case, we're gonna just use the USB-C to C cable, and the power cord may not be necessary unless you want to crank it up all the way to the 100% brightness level. And if the laptop cannot supply sufficient power, then you might want to use the USB-C cord. This end goes to here. All right, it's connected. I'm gonna check the display setting and set the physical position accordingly. I think that's fine. Then I can drag the window across different screens. Note the text is a bit big. I'm gonna do 1080p. Just pick the native resolution in there, and now it's much better. And although it is a 1080p screen, still the text appears to be very sharp. From a distance, from where I'm sitting, I can't really see pixels. Maybe 4K doesn't matter, especially if I just want to use it as my studio monitor. This is totally fine. Yeah, I love this. So this case is magnetic and it has the standard 75mm VESA mount. Got a little hole here, so if you use if you have a pencil, you can use the pencil as a stand. Strong magnets.